If you are wondering if Xiaomi 15T Pro has bloatware, then the answer is unfortunately yes. And there are many apps that are pre-installed for you. Now, some apps, of course, are available depending on the region. So, for example, you might not see the app mode, let's say. Nevertheless, in many cases, you can consider many of these apps to be bloatware. Well, I'm sure all of us will agree that, for example, these three apps over here are just bloatware. We also have Facebook, we have LinkedIn pre-installed, we have Netflix pre-installed, Spotify, TikTok, WPS Office, and so on and so forth. So many different apps that should not be pre-installed. Really, there is no need to have them over here. And what is more is that many of Xiaomi apps that we have over here, like let's say this music app, the security app, themes app, and so on and so forth, they also contain ads. So if you use these apps, you can experience ads quite often. Of course, in many of these apps you can actually get rid of the ads, but for example, apps like the app mall, it seems that it is not really possible to turn off ads over there. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.